We're getting a little cold front going to come in here, some higher humidity, some instability, along with the normal unstable
my family
weather. 84 degrees with a chance of thunderstorms at 7 o'clock, 76 by 9 p.m., 69 by 11 p.m. Not as hot today compared to yesterday's 97. We got to 91. The normals are 89 and 60. It's a warm morning. It's 67 degrees. Right now it's 85 downtown, still 91 at the airport. The pressure falling slightly. The winds are out of the east at 5 miles per hour. And that's what it looks like up at Grover on our Viero camera. It's raining pretty good up there in Weld County. Let's start out with that particular storm and show you that it's pushing right through the little town of Grover, about 30 miles an hour moving toward the east. Might be a little bit of hail with it, but mostly just rain. Denver doesn't have much activity currently. There's a little more down. We saw the little showers near Elizabeth, and it extends back into Teller County all the way back toward Buena Vista, and that's what we're going to see over the next couple of days. A lot of monsoon moisture coming up from the south, and at the surface there's this little front that has slipped into eastern Colorado. It's brought in the slightly cooler air. For tonight, there's going to be a little low pressure system moving in along that front, so we might get some strong storms out in the eastern plains by about 9 o'clock time. They'll continue to move by midnight out into Kansas, Nebraska, and then by morning, partly cloudy with slightly cooler, more humid air across the eastern plains. 60 for a low in Denver, Greeley, Fort Collins. We'll see a little bit warmer down around La Junta and Lamar. Tomorrow morning might be a little patchy fog out on the northeast plains. Lows around 60 degrees. So we'll start with some patchy fog east, partly cloudy along the I-25 corridor. By midday, storms begin to develop in the mountains. We've heard this routine before. And later in the afternoon, with this front kind of hanging across the state, the severe weather looks northeast. Some scattered strong storms along the I-25 corridor. More isolated storms farther to the west. You'll see the impact on the temperatures as it will be cooler tomorrow. Just low to mid-80s northeast Colorado, low 90s to the southeast. Front range numbers will mostly be in the low to mid-80s at lower elevations and upper 60s to low 70s in the mountains with a good chance of afternoon storms. So scattered storm site, partly cloudy and a low of 60. Tomorrow, partly cloudy in the morning, not as hot. Storms likely in the afternoon. And if you're heading to the Billy Joel concert, thunderstorms in the forecast tomorrow evening. And remember, no umbrellas at Coors Field. Take a poncho along just in case. As far as conditions the next few days, chance of thunderstorms, we stay in the 80s. Into Saturday, it gets a little warmer and drier again as we get toward the end of the weekend into early next week. It takes us a while to get back up into those lower 90s, though. This pattern's going to stick around for a bit and keep the temperatures a little lower and the rain chances a little higher.
Got a couple of big concerts here that might get a little damp.
Yeah.
Happens in August.
All right.
Outdoor concerts in Colorado.
Well, a roller